Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to completely uninstall any disk application here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed with the button search bar and type for Control Panel. Once you've typed it, please proceed with the best match and click on Open to continue. Now here at the control panel window, if your viewer window doesn't look like this, proceed at the upper right side of that. You can see there an option called View By. Click this down arrow and set it into large icons. Once you're done, please locate for programs and features. So in my case, the programs and features is being placed at the first row next to mail. Click on it the moment you had located. And once you have bring up the programs and features, you would be able to see a window like this where here you can uninstall or change a program. So by here, you need to locate for the AnyDesk. In my case, I have seen it here next to Acer Jumpstart. Once you have located, you can please proceed to the upper side of that. You can see there an option called uninstall or change the program. Click on it and the moment you do that, you will be able to receive a notification where your user account control is asking you to proceed or to confirm your action. Simply click on yes so that you can now start on the uninstallation of this AnyDisk. So all you need to do is you need to click the box to remove configuration files and click on uninstall. The moment you do that, you just have to wait until you can now start on the uninstallation of this AnyDisk. Okay, so click on OK, and by that, your AnyDisk has been removed here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop permanently. So by that, you can now close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think those steps help you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Don't forget also to leave the comment at the comment section below if you have succeeded on the removing or the uninstallation of your AnyDisk application in your Windows 11 PC or laptop, especially if the AnyDisk consume a lot of space. It's very commendable to remove or uninstall that completely here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop, okay? So thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.